Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on sewing a kimono, a timeless piece perfect for layering and adding elegance to any outfit. With Japanese New Year approaching, creating a DIY kimono is a meaningful way to celebrate the season. Let's begin and bring this festive project to life. Before beginning, prepare all the necessary materials: a pattern, fabric, interfacing, and matching thread. Once everything is ready, it's time to move on to the first step. Cut the fabric according to the pattern, following the lines as accurately as possible. Trace all markings using a tracing wheel. Repeat the same cutting and marking process for the sleeves and collar. Use sewing pins to secure every piece firmly onto the fabric before cutting. Press interfacing onto the collar piece. Once fused, cut the collar again using the pattern to ensure the correct shape and stability. Clip all necessary markings to prepare for assembly. Place the front and back panels together at the shoulder seam. Serge along the seam to join them. Then press the seam flat for a clean finish. Fold the collar piece in half lengthwise and secure with sewing pins. Straight stitch both short ends of the collar. Turn the collar right side out. And press the edges neatly. Fold the front placket inward and press to define the fold line. Measure 2/8 of an inch from the previous top stitch. And begin stitching from that point. Double top stitch along the collar to reinforce the structure. Pin the collar onto the neckline seam, matching all notches and marking the correct placement with tailor's chalk. Secure the collar edge with pins and straight stitch it to the neckline. Trim the excess seam allowance along the collar edge. Fold the front placket inward so it sits neatly on top of the collar end. Straight stitch to lock the collar edge under the placket. Then turn the corner for a clean finish. Repeat the same process for the opposite collar edge. Press a long fabric strip using a bias tape maker. Then trim any excess fabric at the corners. Align the bias tape on the front side of the kimono and straight stitch to attach it. Top stitch along the entire front placket for a clean, structured finish. Repeat the same steps on the opposite side. Switch to a collar presser foot and top stitch around the collar, continuing smoothly down both plackets. Insert a long fabric strip into the bias tape foot and straight stitch to form clean straps. Align the straps on the sides of the kimono. Straight stitch to attach the straps. Position the straps along the front placket according to the marked placement. Straight stitch to secure the straps firmly. Serge along the armhole seam to attach each sleeve to the kimono body. Continue serging from the sleeve seam down through the side seam to complete the garment shape. Repeat the process on the other sleeve. Press all joined seams flat. Double fold the sleeve hem and top stitch to secure. Repeat the same on the second sleeve. Proceed with a double fold on the kimono hem. Straight stitch along the entire hem. Turning the corner carefully and stitching until the end. Add a short reinforcing stitch at the opposite corner. Straight stitch along both sides of the label to secure it in place at the neckline. Give the entire kimono a final press to complete the project. And that's it. I A handmade kimono beautifully finished and ready for the season. For more sewing tutorials, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.